How to turn off compatibility mode in Microsoft Word. If you open an older Word document and see compatibility mode next to the file name, it means the document is saved in an older Word format. You can easily convert it to the latest Word format. For example, here we have a company project report, and you can see compatibility mode in the title bar. To turn it off, click the File tab and select Info. Under compatibility mode, click the Convert button. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to convert the document to the latest Word format. Click OK to continue. Word will now convert the document from the older .doc format to the current .docx format. As you can see, compatibility mode has disappeared from the title bar. Your document can now use the newer Microsoft Word features and formatting options. That's it! This is how you can turn off compatibility mode in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching.